The Rhine Falls were formed in the last ice age, approximately 14 to 17,000 years ago, by erosion-resistant rocks narrowing the riverbed. The first glacial advances created today's landforms approximately 500,000 years ago. Up to the end of the Wolstonian stage, approximately 130,000 years ago, the Rhine flowed westwards from Schaffhausen past Klettgau. Laufen Castle is overlooking the Rhine Falls. The first documented reference to the castle dates to the year 858, when it was home of the barons of Laufen. The city of Zurich during the time reacquired the castle twice by buying it again for the last time in 1941. The castle now serves as a tourist attraction and contains a restaurant and a youth hostel. The Rhine Falls are falls located in Switzerland and the most powerful waterfall in Europe. The falls are located on the High Rhine, on the border between the cantons of Schaffhausen and Zurich. They are 150 meters wide and 23 meters high. In the winter months, the average water flow is 250 cubic meters per second, while in the summer, the average water flow is 600 cubic meters per second. The highest flow ever measured was 1,250 cubic meters per second.